Assalamualaikum viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is how to make money on TikTok, strategies that work. TikTok is the next big thing that is already here at first seen just as entertainment for Gen Z. This platform has become a lucrative business opportunity. Influencer like Edison, Rai, Sterling, and Charlie D'Amelio, among many other figure other out how to make money on TikTok and now earn millions of dollars per year. The app reached a milestone of 1 billion global users in late September of 2021, keeping the constant growth trend despite challenges like the global COVID-19 pandemic and a looming US ban in 2020 under the Trump administration. The main question is no longer whether making money on TikTok is possible. Content creator and marketing professionals alike understand that the answer is a resounding yes, but the question of how to monetize TikTok is a different beast altogether, especially if you are interested in using TikTok for your business. While making money on TikTok is more straightforward for content creators, business have to work a bit harder. Good and relatable content, more followers, conversion, paid advertising, brand identity, return on investment. Business have to consider all these aspects and plan their TikTok strategy carefully if they wish to see some dollar sign in the end. How do influencers make money on TikTok? Collaboration between brands and influencers on TikTok are beneficial to both sides. Influencers get paid for sponsored posts and brands get more exposure and more customer. Before we focus on the major ways brand can create profit from their TikTok business, let's see what content creator and small business can do to generate income on this platform. How to TikTok creator make money creating viral content or becoming TikTok famous instantly may be the path for the lucky few, but most aspiring TikTok influencers rely on carefully developed strategies that involve growing their following first and reaching out to potential sponsors before they reach global fame and start making money from top brand deal or branching out to entertainment. Most TikTokers go for more down to earth method, from applying for the TikTok creator fund to accepting gift from their followers. Making use of the TikTok creator fund. TikTok introduced the creator fund in 2020 as the means to reward its community and provide content creator with an opportunity to earn more and make a proper career out of their creative effort. While the fund is open to virtually anyone who meets the eligibility criteria and there are no caps on the number of eligible creators, TikTok clarifies that this is not a grant or an ad revenue sharing program. Who can qualify for the TikTok Creator Fund? Those who wish to make use of this funding opportunity on TikTok need to meet several eligibility criteria before they submit their application. The Career Fund is currently open to content creators who come from the US, UK, Germany, France, Italy, or Spain, have 10,000 followers or more, and reach over 1 lakh video views in the previous month.